This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pausing and assessing why you think removing Play Protect is necessary. It protects your device. Once done, back up everything, photos, contacts, app data, so you can recover if needed. Make sure you know which Google account and device admin policies are active. Note recently installed apps and special permissions. You should also update Play Store and Google Play services so you're testing against current behavior. Doing these steps protects you and gives a safe baseline before making any changes. You won't need to disable Play Protect in many cases. Instead, address the specific app. Once you see a warning, open the Play Store app details and inspect the developer info, install count, and recent reviews to evaluate legitimacy. Next, manage app permissions directly, revoke excessive rights, force stop, or clear data to fix misbehavior. If an app is critical but flagged, contact the developer and request a signed APK update. Make sure to keep Play Protect enabled while you troubleshoot. You should prefer safer alternatives to removing Play Protect. For example, enable unknown sources only briefly and install APKs from verified developers. Redisable that option immediately. Once done, install a reputable mobile antivirus from the Play Store and keep System and Play Store updates current. If an app still misbehaves, reset app preferences or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset. But first export your backup. If something goes wrong, restore from backup and re-enable Play Protect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.